Hello everyone, in this video I am going to talk about how you can fix Google Merchant Center misrepresentation issue and how you can recover your account from this suspension issue. So let's start with this. So you have got this notification like this from Google Merchant Center that your account, Google found some issues that needs your attention. Start fixing them to meet applicable requirement and policies. So based on the information available about your business, there is a reason to believe that customers are being misled on Google. So you can see that this type of notification you have got in your Google Merchant Center account, and you will see this issue in when you click on the product and then click on need attention. You will see view setup and policy issues, and from clicking here you can get all these updates. Okay, so now what to do? So first you need to do is that you need to read about some basic policies of misrepresentation which are related to your business, shipping policies, and which are also related to your website and product. So all you will have to do is make sure you understand the policies of Google, and it covers misleading claims about your products, your business, and your website. Google looks for transparency and accurate information, and if it finds any error in your website or Google Merchant Center account, then it may suspend your Google Merchant Center account. So some of the areas where you need to check in your Google Merchant Center account are business information. So always use accurate business details in Google Merchant Center, and you can check your business information by clicking business info, and you need to match these all information on your website and Google Merchant Center account. All business information should be same everywhere. And the other thing you should check is return and refund policy. Many business owner do not add return policy in Google Merchant Center account, so you need to add return policy also in Google Merchant Center account. And there should not be any wrong information about your product, so you can check your product for any policies issues, and always set up correct shipping information policy. Many business owners don't know how to create correct shipping policy, so you can take help from YouTube videos. And other thing you could do is fix fix policy pages on your website. So you need to add all kind of policy pages on your website, privacy policy, terms and conditions, refund and returns, and taxes. Many people don't provide separate pages for taxes, so you can provide tax pages in your store if you are charging tax from customer, and these tax settings should be shown in checkout also. Okay, and then you should not submit directly for review. You can create a mail in Google in your Gmail, and then you can add relevant documents and what kind of improvements you have done in your Google Merchant Center account and on website. So make a checklist and attach some relevant documents. Maybe it's images, maybe it's like videos, like what kind of changes you have done in your account, and then send appeal to Google Merchant Center help. So after fixing all these issues, you can get your Google Merchant Center account back. And if you are not able to recover your Google Merchant Center account, so you can also contact us. We can help you to recover your Google Merchant Center account, and that you can get our contact number on our channel banner, and you can also get our contact number in video description. So hope you like video, and this will help you to recover your Google Merchant Center account. Thank you.